Try to finish out August with vlogging every single day. Alright, y'all, good morning and welcome to another vlog. I thought that I would take you guys into my life for a couple days. So yes, Veda has been going smooth. I've been uploading every single day for the month of August. Now my kids just said, is there ever a morning where you don't vlog? Honestly, yes. If I am feeling sick and I am just not up to it, I will not vlog. If there is, footage where I have too much of and I am, let's just say, like at an overload of content and I don't want to, make it to where, I, filmed 2 weeks ago and I'm just putting it out 3 weeks later. Yeah. I will, like skip a morning or two. But anyways, y'all, the sun is sunning. Hold on, wait a minute. Somebody warn me next time that the sun is gonna shine like that. So it rained yesterday, so the sun is trying to, bring itself back out. It's a little foggy out here. My windshield, still ain't got right. But anyways, I'm eating on a burrito this morning. I made me the bacon, egg, and cheese one, and then I made some coffee. And for lunch, I have the Greek meatballs and some cilantro rice that you just put in the microwave for a minute. And I decided to braid my hair up this morning. So that one student that we have is coming back today. And I have no idea what we're getting ready to get ourselves into. So we shall see. I'm hoping, literally, I'm hoping that with her coming back, the day goes good, because Friday with the other one that has some behavioral issues was not good. And today we have art, so this should be very interesting to see how we maneuver throughout the day, in that situation. So I'll catch you guys a little later throughout the day. Woo! Hotter than the Kentucky Derby out here. It's like, nah. Hey y'all, I am in the car, 304, heading home. Let me put these back windows down too. Anyways, y'all, it's been a long Monday. All right, y'all, so I'm home. Today has just been like, woo! I tell y'all, sometimes I be sitting back wondering, is this the profession for me? Then again, it's all I ever wanted. So I ain't gonna complain, okay? So, let me tell y'all something. Yesterday, when I was making dinner, I was on a roll. So when I made lunch for today, which was the Greek meatballs, I made Greek meatballs. Clearly the ones that I took with me for lunch today, gone. I do have the other half in the refrigerator, so I need to put this at the sink. But when I made the Greek meatballs, I was also making dinner for yesterday, which was some baked fish and what did I make, y'all? Macaroni and cheese. So when I did that, I had time to meal prep dinner for today so that I didn't have to worry about it, and also so that I didn't have to worry about like it not being done in time. So I made the hamburger and gravy yesterday in the crock pot. I don't know what that says. So anyways, I made that yesterday so I didn't have to do it today, and so that it would be done ahead of time and I could just put it in the oven and reheat it up. So I do have butter noodles that I have to make today, and that is it. There is a few things that I have to do today that I didn't do yesterday, and honestly, that's Cam's hair, put my clothes away, and then get dishes put away and actually done. That way the house, whatever, looks good. So some of the meals that I'm making this week is gonna be tacos, and then we're gonna do, there was one more, tacos and cheeseburger egg rolls. And then we'll go out to eat probably, I don't know, I guess we'll go out to eat Wednesday or maybe Friday over to Dairy Market, maybe Thursday. One of them. Like I said, I'm trying to use the meals I got in the house rather than going out. All right, so I kind of been getting my life together, y'all. Literally trying to get my life together. I'm going to put this this water on to make the butter noodles. I need to pull out some butter. So that's what I'm about to do, if I can remember where I even put it at. Okay, salted butter. No. I want unsalted butter because I'm going to add the salt in. So clearly, I have clothes I need to put away after this. That's why I'm trying to just get it done, and then eventually, I think at like 5:10, I'm gonna turn the oven on to reheat up the hamburgers and gravy. I put it in there like that so it's already wrapped up and it's easy to heat up and then just like, you know, put into a container or whatever. So let's go make these butter noodles. All right, y'all, so while I'm waiting on the water to heat up, my coworker gave me this salami, so it's the peach one. She says she's not really into like the peach flavor. So I don't know, we're gonna try it. So I tried to offer her one of, Lord? I tried to offer her the one that I took this morning, and it was one that I haven't tried either. It was like the Cosmic or something like that. It smells definitely like peach. Okay, I like that. Now that I think about it. Yeah, I almost bought this one yesterday, but I was like, no. So I have the blueberry or blue raspberry one. I have the cherry twist, and then the one that I took to work today. So we just, like I said, switched, and she'll have that one for tomorrow, and I'll just bring a different one. So yeah, I'm gonna get it a 10 out of 10. That's something that I would definitely drink cold. I mean, it's not cold, but all right, so y'all basically let these go for 5 to 6 minutes, just because they are the smaller ones. Like I said, I got my oven heating up so that I can just go ahead and quickly heat up the gravy and hamburger. I'm gonna put the food from Friday back in the fridge. That'll be lunch tomorrow. And then I'm gonna have to make Skylar's lunch tonight because they have hard tacos and pupusas, and yeah. So we might do some peppers. We'll probably end up doing like a Danimal, yogurt, some fruit, a juice, and who knows what else. I'm ready to just sit down and relax. If Peaks got a video out, Peaks 100 or Peaks JustBeingC'Aira, then that's what we're gonna watch. Dame drops. We watch quite a few different food reviewers, and we also watch Florida. I can't remember that one. It's the guy who does like the chip and stuff. So we'll end up watching that if he has a video out, and then I'm trying to finish watching The Resident. Okay, and then y'all see them clothes right there? I gotta go fold them. So yeah, I'm trying my best to get my life situated. Y'all, they had these 2 for $1 at Food Line yesterday. I was so happy. I don't want that big bag because I just don't want it to go to waste. But now that they have make the small ones 2 for $1, I gladly picked up 2 of those. And I'll be getting more again when I go to the grocery store next week. So until then, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Getting ready for day 2 of the week for work. Who? Who? Good morning, y'all. Alright, so I found this really good episode of Hoarders on YouTube last night. So I started watching it at home, you know, like in the living room last night. Then I transferred it to the room. Eventually I turned it off because I was like, Lord, I'm about to fall asleep. This is getting good. It was like an hour and like 6 minutes maybe, or hour and 26 minutes. But like I said, really good. So it was based out of Daphne, Alabama. It's like right near the water. Oh my gosh, like so like when I watch Hoarders, I literally talk to the screen like, just throw it away, whatever. I think I was eating something small, and you could just see all the cockroaches, and it just like, whew, my head was itching, my body was itching, just everything was itching. So anyways, I finished it this morning, which is why we're a little late coming out the house. So what I'm trying to do is get over to Dunkin' just to grab me an iced coffee really quickly before work. You know, at the end of the day, I was an hour early every single day for pre-service week. I clearly, you know, am over my time apparently. So I decided that I am going to go and get me that iced coffee that I really want this morning. So I chose to wear a skirt today with basically 2 shirts. One of the shirts underneath is just like a spaghetti strap, and then the other one over top is like a tank. Like I said, with a dress and some, I have on sandals the same color as the earrings. Today for lunch, I bought my leftover food from Friday. And I'll heat that up. I was gonna make a sandwich this morning, but Hoarders was just too good, okay? Too good to let go. So I'm heading to work. Why I look like everybody and their grandma wanna come up to Dunkin' on a truck day.
Yeah, because you don't let me bring my phone.
Oh my God, y'all. My car is so hot every afternoon I get in it. So, let me tell y'all a funny story real quick. While the student that I told y'all got the behavior issues, she had the nerve to throw tacos on the ground. So we go in line, get the tacos, we sit down, and she's like, I don't like cheese. Okay, well, you don't like cheese, but it's just like, if you ordered the tacos, then that's what you're gonna get, right? So she goes and throws the tacos on the ground. And I told the assistant principal straight up, like, if she threw them on the ground, she's going to clean this up. I'm not cleaning it up. So that's that. Let me put these windows down before I smother myself up in here. So anyways, I'm going home. It is taco night, and I have to remind Charles to bring home some lettuce and tomatoes. My mama called me like, did you clock out yet? Yep, I clocked out. Have I got out of the parking lot yet? No. But I'm managing my way out of this parking lot and home. I am freaking exhausted. Energy drink, here I come. Do y'all ever get home and like just throw everything possible on the couch? I'm telling you, I do. So literally, like, I have my purse, I have like my pens and stuff that I write with. I got my notebook out, like, I just be doing the most. Literally, like, I got stuff that just needs to be put away. I'll put these in the back in a minute. These go back there. Notebook. So from time to time, I like try to plan out things, and then I just leave it on the couch, literally. But I know that Charles's brother is coming over to deliver his bike that he ordered. So he got rid of the other one. And anyways, he's going to come in the door. 5:30, and I need it. What does it smell like? Taco Tuesday? Baby, it's Taco Tuesday. You wanna hit this?
Ooh, what you drink the bill over here. I ain't trying to mix it.
I'ma hit it.
Yo, this joint big. God, see that nigga?
Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that one. Hold on. Looking at you like you crazy.
I knew he was crazy too. Who, me? You know the crazy part about
What?